Here is a wonderful 2016 Dodge Durango. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Tackle life's projects with strength and ease in the Durango, the versatile SUV with muscle car spirit. Refined comfort never packed such a punch. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.